At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a quick service restaurant, QSR, business can be exciting but requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Market research. Understand the market demand, competition, target audience, and trends in the QSR industry. Identify potential locations based on foot traffic, demographics, and competition analysis. 2. Concept development. Define your QSR concept, including the type of cuisine, menu offerings, pricing strategy, and unique selling points, USPs, that set you apart from competitors. 3. Business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your concept, target market, financial projections, marketing strategy, operational plan, and scalability. 4. Legal requirements. Register your business, obtain necessary permits and licenses, and comply with health and safety regulations. This may include food service permits, business licenses, and certifications. 5. Location selection. Choose a prime location that aligns with your target market and concept. Consider factors like visibility, accessibility, parking availability, and lease terms. 6. Menu development. Design a menu that reflects your concept, caters to your target audience, and offers a balance of popular items and signature dishes. Ensure menu items are cost-effective and can be prepared quickly. 7. Suppliers and ingredients. Source reliable suppliers for quality ingredients at competitive prices. Establish relationships with vendors to ensure timely delivery and consistent product quality. 8. Staffing. Hire and train a skilled team of employees who are passionate about customer service and can efficiently handle food preparation, order taking, and cashier duties. Emphasize cleanliness, food safety, and adherence to standard operating procedures. 9. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity through logo design, signage, and decor that reflects your concept. Implement a marketing strategy that includes online and offline channels such as social media, local advertising, promotions, and partnerships. 10. Technology integration. Utilize technology to streamline operations and enhance customer experience. This may include POS systems for order processing, online ordering platforms, mobile apps, and loyalty programs. 11. Soft launch and feedback. Conduct a soft launch to test your operations, gather feedback from customers, and make necessary adjustments before the official opening. 12. Grand opening. Plan a grand opening event to generate buzz and attract customers. Offer promotions, discounts, or free samples to encourage trial and repeat visits. 13. Monitor and adapt. Continuously monitor your QSR's performance, gather feedback from customers and employees, and adapt your strategies as needed to stay competitive and meet customer expectations. Starting a QSR business requires dedication, hard work, and attention to detail, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.